Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error TPM 2.0 is not ready. If this getting this error, simply few methods I do this error fix it. Don't worry, simple steps only. Just click on the OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next steps. In this video, seeing before liking comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this video, subscribe and like. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's start the fix steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu. Click on the power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Sometimes just try it, then go to the next step. Run as admin FACEIT. So go to the desktop, find the FACEIT application. Just select and right click. Click on the properties. Then go to the capability tab, then checkbox select the capability mode. Below checkbox select the run this program as administrator. Once it's select, hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then restart your system, then check it again. Then try to did not working, then go to the next step. First check TPM 2.0 ready or not ready. So go to that into search bar, then type that run. Then click on this application. Then run box, type it tpm.msc. Then hit the OK button, click here to open it that new tab. Then check it that status. The TPM is ready for use. Here already ready. Then specification version 2.0. Here already changed it. If this first check it, then after that come to if it is not enable, then come to next step. Secure boot enable check it. So go to the into search bar, then type that system information. Then scroll down, find secure boot. Here secure boot off. If there is off, just go to the restart your system. Then go to the BIOS. Then come to UEFI BIOS utilite. Then come to click on the boot. After that secure boot mode, go to then select this arrow. Then select that standard. Once it's select, then close it, then restart your system. After that come to desktop, find FACEIT, double tap to open it. After that your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime, I give the and subscribe to comment section, go to comment this method working or not working. Thanks for watching.